Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Sony XB100 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reinitialization for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not connecting to your device or not pairing with Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, it's not syncing, it's frozen and stuck on something. Anything like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The other reason you might want to do this is just for any situation where you want to delete all of the pairing history off of it so that you can just start over fresh with a new speaker. And speaking of starting fresh, if you want to get a new Bluetooth speaker, I'll put a link in the description to a speaker that I really like a lot. But anyways, so all we need to do this factory reset is to come in here and find this Bluetooth button here and the volume down button here. And with the speaker on, while it's on, we're going to just come in and press those two buttons simultaneously and just hold them until the speaker turns off. It'll take at least 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. Once it turns off, then we can release the buttons, wait a few seconds, turn the speaker back on, and we can go ahead and set this speaker up basically like it's a brand new speaker. So if this worked, if you'd please leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it.